Good morning, students. Today we are making seventh class topic slogan italic 3D, that is eat healthy. Eat healthy slogan we are making. So I am making direct with sketch. Numbering is same: 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is length and 4 is width. First making E. That is your E making E is there. Now making A. For A, same 1 2 3 4. In this 2 and 3 number cutting we are making and matching with last corner. This cutting, first cutting in first 1 2, this second number box and third number box half dividing. So this way we are making A, and then this is last second one, this is last second one. Match with corner. This is the corner of A. This width is same. So match like this way. So this is your A ready. Now making T. In this you will use 1 2 3 4. 2 and 3 number box half divide like A. This half line will come like this way. This side 2 and 3 number, this box half cutting divide line will come like this way. Eat. Now we are making healthy. So for healthy we are making H first. H, it is very easy. Just make a center line like E. If you make center point like E, H will be ready. Now E making. First up and down, these cuttings make. Now center like E, as I told you, make. I will say one more thing. Match this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All numbers are same, so don't be confused. Up to this 3 letters HEA, you are making same. This cutting is there. It's 1 2 3 4 number. 2 and 3 half divide. 3 and 4 number is half dividing. I made 2 types of A. One is upper side made, one is downside. Any kind of A you can make. So that is A, HEA. L making now. Now listen, main thing, I have less space in this drawing book. You also get that page having same space type. So if you think your letters are not coming completing on your page, then you can make little. Length you will keep same, but width you can decrease. You can make width 0 to 4 you can make width in place of 0 to 4, 0 to 3. So L and T, if you make 0 to 3 centimeter, that is also okay. 0 1 2 3. So HEAL we can make in this up to 3 centimeter we made. Now we can make T. T also having 1 centimeter upside left and right side extra line. Then center is long line. So this also you can make up to 3 centimeter. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now H coming. So I am making H also up to 3 centimeter. This way. Now Y making. Y also I am making 0 to 3 centimeter. Actually this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Y making in 4 centimeter. First of all you will make the center line just like A. In A we made upside line, downside make in Y. Half dividing line. In E center line. This is the E line. Center line always. This up to H, E all same size. Up to this point you make this center line. Now this corner match this side, this corner match this side. Now what to do? Now we will make this 3 number line this way and this 1 number this way. So this way we will complete our main topic, eat healthy. Now I will tell you how to make a shadow of it. So shadow is very easy. First of all we will erase all things. So when you erase it you will get this empty space, clean space. Now we are making shadow. I will make with pencil so that you can understand. First of all 1 centimeter line make downside, and as I am making same way make first T line make, that is also 1 centimeter. Now from there corner match corner to corner. I hope you understood that line. Now this line is going straight like this way, straight like this. Then this corner is there, this corner up to this T, this way. Now this line we are making downside and erase extra line. T half ready. Now this line we upper side made, same make this side also, and same angle line make same, angle line you will make same. Now T we made, now A making angle line. As I told you it is same all time, so angle line make same. These are angle lines which I made. Separate downside, it is E space angle line, this is A center point angle line, that is empty. Now first corner angle line make upper side, and this match because this is parallel going on, this is straight line. A is also ready. Now E making, this line is vertical, that italic line. So italic line is small is there, long is there, same size always. Angle lines, there are 2 points only, one is angle line, one is parallel line. 2 points are in shadow always, angle line and parallel line. That is the parallel line, parallel downside. 3 type of steps are there: angle line, parallel line and straight line. Straight like horizontal, angle line this way, and parallel line italic as going on that way. Heat shadow is there ready. Now H shadow is making. First make angle line. Don't forget making first bottom line. Bottom line is 1 centimeter. That first angle line making, now parallel line making, now making straight line. Again angle line making, this is for H, and third line this I made for E. Separation is compulsory. Separate the line this way. H is ready. This line don't forget, because this is parallel line going on. Angle line, this is parallel line, and this is the horizontal line. Same. Which way?
Yes, master.
Now A, as I told you, it's easy. You see in upper side how to make A. Now we are making L. Angle line, parallel line, angle line, parallel line, angle line, angle line, horizontal line. This is horizontal, same size, and this is the parallel line, angle line. I hope you understood. These are angle lines, this is parallel line, and this is horizontal line. And now angle line, this is parallel line, this is straight line downside. So this way you will make. I hope you understood. This is your Eat Healthy slogan, 7th class, 3D italic. So I hope you understood it.